So next topic that we have is Higgs boson. Look, there is already a question from the Higgs boson in your UPSC prelims. Previous year, I think it was 2014. But again, they can ask this question. Why am I telling you this? Because the same machine, which is called LHC, Large Hadron Collider, this machine now discovered a new particle which is called XICC+. It was just 2 weeks back. So this machine is in news. That is why they can ask you Higgs boson also, or they can ask you about this particle also. Now, what is this Higgs boson? Little bit on the physics way, but let me tell you what is this Higgs boson. Look, we have some fundamental particles. Let's say we have electron, we have neutrino, yes, we have quarks, leptons and everything. So we have this fundamental particle physics we have many particles. They cannot be divided further. Those are the fundamental articles, and the whole universe is made up of these fundamental particles. But the primary question is, these fundamental particles like electrons or the neutrinos or the protons and all that, they are not weightless. Now question is, where they are getting their weight from? Nobody knew it. Then we discovered, it's called Higgs field basically. It's called Higgs field, and calculations suggest that in the whole universe, there is a Higgs field. We could not prove it, but it was mathematically found that in the whole universe, there is a Higgs field. And the way these particles interact with the Higgs field, they get their weight. They get their weight with the help of interaction with the Higgs field. But what this Higgs field is made up of? This Higgs field is made up of Higgs boson. Higgs boson. That is why these all fundamental particles get their weight from the Higgs boson. This was mathematically basically sort of proven, but in 2012, for the first time, we discovered this exact particle, and all other particles get their weight from this Higgs particle basically. Sometimes even people call it God particle, because everything is made up of this Higgs particle. That is what, and you know very well, you know this boson word came from Indian scientist. Please tell me the name of the scientist in the comment section. That would be so great. Now this LHC discovered a new particle which is called XICC+. It can be asked in the newspaper, your exam. So please keep an eye on it.